Yo, what's up family? Have you ever been on Instagram and seen a really cool swipeable post and thought to yourself, wow, that is amazing. How did this person create this really cool swipeable post? I would like to create one of those too. Well, that is perfect because in today's video, we are going to be showing you exactly how to create a swipeable post on Instagram that you can easily make in Photoshop today. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. On this channel we do car videos, mods, installations, how-tos, reviews, vlogs. So if you are new here, please consider smashing that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about swipeable posts on Instagram and how to easily create those posts in Photoshop. This is something anybody can do, whether you are a beginner at Photoshop or a Photoshop expert. It really doesn't matter. This is something that you can easily do by following the step-by-steps in this video, and we are going to do our best to explain it to you, make it easy, show you the shortcuts so you can go into Photoshop and easily create these images and take them into Instagram and start crushing your Instagram game for 2018, guys. So, I mean, hopefully you have Photoshop installed on your computer. If not, you can get the Adobe Creative Cloud apps for about $50 a month, and that gives you all of the Adobe apps, everything you would need to, you know, edit video, photography, everything, guys. Or I believe they have a two-part package, which is Lightroom and Photoshop. But let's go into Photoshop and show you guys how to create these awesome swipeable images for Instagram. Because what I've noticed is my swipeable posts just tend to do a little better. It's more engaging for your fans and followers, and it's really cool some of the creative things you can do when in Photoshop creating swipeable posts. So let's jump off into it, guys, and get you guys creating these swipeable posts for your guys' fans and followers. So here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and as you can see, we already have the image that we plan to be working with right here. Here is a picture of my Dodge Charger, and basically what we're gonna do is split this picture into two, about right here so, and we are then gonna have two separate images we export and we can then load into Instagram. So the first things we are going to do is create a new document. So let's go ahead and do that now. And you are going to want to make the image 2000 pixels wide and 1000 pixels high. And the resolution, will go ahead and keep that at 300. So we will create that. So now we have our new document here. We will then go back to our image. We will get our move tool. So once we have our move tool, we can take this image, drag it into here. Now we need to transform this image to fit into the new document we created. So we are going to go into free transform, and always hold shift when you're doing things like this so it keeps the image resolution as the size changes. So like I said, you move and drag the image pretty much however you want it to pop out, and you can center it like that. And once you do, click the check mark. So this image has now been widened into the format that we need. So we can then come up here to image. We will go to canvas size. You can change these into pixels, and we will jot that to the left, and we will split it by 1000. So what that is going to do is it took our picture and split it directly in half at the 1000 mark. So this is going to be the picture that we have here. You can go into the file and export it, export as. So we're going to export it as a JPG, leave it the width, height 1000, 1000, export, and you can save it as, let's do this one, swipe 1. We will save this to the desktop. So we will go ahead and let that export, and when that exports, you can hit the Command Z, and that is basically kind of like undo. So that undoes everything you just did, brings it to the previous state. We will then go back into the canvas size, make sure this is pixels, make this down to 1000, drop it to the left hand side, and now we have our second picture that we will post, and we will export it, export as JPG, make sure everything is the same, and we will do this one, swipe 2. Awesome. So now we have both of our images off of this image that we just did to now create a beautiful swipe post in Instagram. So let's go ahead and open the pictures that we just did. Here's swipe 1 and open. This is going to be swipe 2. So now basically this is how your swipe is going to look. This is going to be the first picture that you upload in Instagram here, and this is going to be the second one that you upload. And basically when they swipe their thumb on the screen, they're going to get this one, and when they go back, they're going to get that. So that's pretty much it, guys. It is that simple to create an awesome swipeable post in Instagram. Now let's go ahead and show you guys how to do it once you have it, your pictures into your phone. And if you are using a Mac computer and you have an iPhone, you can airdrop the files to each other very easily. If not, you can always use the mobile or web service Dropbox. Very easy, doesn't degrade any quality of the pictures, and you can export those via Dropbox to your phone and carry those into Instagram and start crushing the Instagram game, guys. So let's go check that out now, shall we? Let's show you how to take these into Instagram and start crushing it.